What's going on, guys? In this video, we're going to talk about Alset EHome International. Guys, once again, that's Alset EHome International with the ticker symbol AEI. Guys, in this video, we're going to talk about three things. First, I'm going to show you the new face of the Alset EHome International website. Okay, so I'm going to show that. So as you can see, guys, the website is green as opposed to the ones I've been showing in the past, which is red. We're going to check on that. Second is we're going to actually dig down a little bit further regarding the 8K that was submitted today. It has something to do, guys, with the shareholder meeting, what transpired in that. And third is, of course, the fears of Alset EHome International getting delisted from major exchange such as Nasdaq. So guys, if you like the information and analysis I'll be providing in this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get going. So guys, before I start my video, I'd like to thank these people from Investor Hub. Okay, so especially Friend BA, Smile B, Power Battles, Beast Trader, okay, Norel, right? So these guys have been constantly feeding us information, good information regarding Alset EHome International. Once again, guys, let me thank them. Okay, second is of course I'm going to show you the new face of the Alset EHome International website. So guys, AEI by the time of this recording is currently closed at a price of 0.35 cents. It's up 2.31% during the trading hours. But guys, as you can see guys, in the 5-day performance, it has a 5-day performance of 87% and a 3-month performance of 8.78%. Though in a 1-month performance guys, this stock is still down negative 6.85%. But I strongly believe, because the market condition is really harsh nowadays guys. As soon as the market condition actually bounces guys, I strongly believe that AEI once again will be back on track. But right now, okay, so what I could tell you guys is, of course, hold on to the stock, because this stock still have a huge potential, because this AEI stock is a diversified company, right? They have a lot of potential. They have a lot of room to the upside. Okay, so we're gonna check on that later when it comes to their technical analysis. As of institutional ownership, it says here that Alset EHome International have 32 long only, 0 short, and 0 long and short. So guys, it has 32 institutional owners. And if you scroll down here in fintel.io, you can clearly see guys that Vanguard and also Blackstone, they are starting to recalibrate once again their portfolios for this is for the May 31st. So we want to know what's going to happen by the end of the quarter, who hangs on among these investors. So guys, this is the Form 8K that was submitted today under SEC filing. You can also see this information in the SEC website guys. So this is the Form 8K once again. Okay, so in this Form 8K, it says here that on June 6, there is the special meeting of stockholders, and of course they also updated the number of available shares, which is 113,187,898 shares. Now they agreed on the following things. First, the approval of issuance of 35,319,290 newly issued shares of the company's common stock in connection with a purchase of 293,428,200 ordinary shares of Alset EHome International Limited from Chang Heng-Fai, the company's chairman, CEO, and largest stockholder. So as you can see guys, the votes for is really very, very high as compared against the votes against. Okay, so it's 62 million as opposed to only 4 million that is against. So approval of the reincorporation of the company in Texas, and the change of the company's name to Alset Incorporated. Okay, there you go guys. And of course, the ratification of appointment of Grassi and Corporation CPAs PC as the company's independent registered public accounting firm for the fiscal year ending in December 21st, 2021. So those are the 3 things that transpired in the annual special shareholders meeting that happened today. Okay, so also guys, we would like to know what's gonna happen with Alset EHome International. As you can see guys, Alset EHome International is trading in the 30 cents range. So that's one of the fears of the investors like you and me. So this is article is from Power Battles. It was posted on March 9, 2022. So for those that concern stock delisting, it's going to be a long time. If at any time before July 18, 2022, the bid price of the company's common stock closes or above $1 per share for a minimum of 10 consecutive business days, then the company has achieved compliance with the minimum bid price requirement. Okay, so it goes on to say that Alset EHome International notice of delisting or failure to satisfy a continued listing rule or standard transfer of listing Form 8K. So guys, this happened on January 21st of 2022 Eastern Standard Time. Okay, so it says here, this is a notice from NASDAQ, guys, just so you know. Okay, so on January 19, 2022, AEI Incorporated, the company received a notification letter from Listing Qualifications Department of the NASDAQ Stock Market LLC, notifying the company that because the closing bid price of the company's common stock listed on NASDAQ was below $1 for 30 consecutive trading days, the company no longer meets the minimum bid price requirement for continued listing on the NASDAQ Capital Market under NASDAQ Marketplace. Okay, so it goes on to say here that the notification letter also disclosed that in the event that a company does not regain compliance with the minimum bid price requirement on July 18, 2022, the company may be eligible for additional time. Okay, so they're going to give a little bit of time, okay, right after July 18, 2022, guys. Let's wait on that for the meantime. Okay, so we would like to see what our CEO would do, Cheng Fai Ambrose Chan. Okay, so let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, so it says here the company intends to continue actively monitoring the bid price for the company for its common stock between now and July 18, 2022, and will consider available options to resolve the deficiency and regain compliance with the minimum bid price requirement. Now, guys, as far as technical analysis is concerned, okay, so this is the daily time frame that we're talking about. Okay, so if you have noticed, guys, the volume for the stock is only 764.82,000. Okay, but if you have also take note that the average volume for the stock is 8.36 million, meaning, guys, there's not a lot of people trading the stock nowadays. Okay, everybody is scared of spending, actually investing money in the stock market, and that's the reason behind Alset EHome International is currently lagging when it comes to investors, right, to increasing, stock price increase. Okay, notice, guys, that the RSI for the stock is 46.52, but the MACD is starting to crawl upwards. Okay, if you zoom out, guys, you can clearly see, guys, that your 9 EMA is right above your 50, your 50 EMA is right above your 9 EMA, which is a good technical indicator, meaning we are a little bit positive going to the upside. Okay, and take note, guys, that we have been trading in this demand zone for quite some time now, and if you are worried about AEI being in this price for quite some time now, this is like a demand zone, guys. So hopefully, guys, we can see a breakout anytime soon. But if we break that down, guys, in a 4-hour time frame, okay, as soon as we reach the price of 40 cents, okay, so this is my technical analysis for the stock. As soon as we hit the price of 40 cents, we might see a breakout to the upside. So still the same pattern, guys. Okay, so I just zoomed out in the 4-hour time frame. You can clearly see that your 50 EMA is right above your 9 EMA, but okay, you can also see that the 200 EMA is very far off, and this is not AEI as well as a stock, guys, is not alone. Okay, so most of the stocks nowadays, every one of them is way below their 200 EMA. Okay, so even if you go to the S&P 500, most of these stocks are really hammered down. It's just a matter of time, guys, that the stock will be able to reach $1 once again. Okay, I strongly believe that the CEO himself will do something about it. We just need a good catalyst. That's number one. Okay, momentum and volume. Of course, one of the things that drives the price of a stock up is volume. Okay, so we haven't seen a lot of volume in the past few, in the past month, starting in the beginning of May. Okay, but if you zoom out, guys, so this volume have been there since March. Okay, March. Okay, so April we have a slightly green volume, but as soon as we started reaching May, okay, and of course until the first week of June, guys, there's not a lot of volume. So what we wanna see in this stock is definitely volume. Okay, guys, once again, if you like the information and analysis I have provided in this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Once again, this is your boy Don Leo Trades. I love you all. Peace out.